In this lesson, we will talk about ecosystems of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is found north to the equator in the tropical region of the earth. Therefore, we have a high rainfall and a warm temperature. We are blessed with a wide array of terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems. The ecosystems are broadly classified into groups. The major factors that determine the distribution of the different vegetation types in Sri Lanka are temperature, rainfall, soil type, and altitude. First, let's talk about terrestrial ecosystems. Let's talk about tropical lowland rainforests. Tropical wet lowland rainforests are found in the southwestern region below an elevation of 900 meters in Sinharaja, Nakiadeniya and Kanneliya. Mean annual temperature is about 28 degrees Celsius and the rainfall is between 2000 millimeters and 5000 millimeters per year. There are no dry periods and the humidity is very high. Trees in the rainforest show a marked stratification. The tree tops of the tall trees touch one another, forming a canopy. Ironwood or na, jackfruit or kus are some of the examples for trees forming the canopy. Trees taller than these grow higher and are called emergents. Hora, Dipterocarpus selanicus, and Duna, Shoria species, are found as emergents. Then we have the subcanopy, understory, and the undergrowth with ferns and bryophytes. Cane, that's Wayval, Venival, and Rasakinda, which are of medicinal value, are found as woody climbers or lianas. They wrap themselves around tall trees and they go up in search of sunlight. Epiphytes like orchids are also found. They are attached to trees. The rainforest trees show certain special features. They have buttress roots spreading right round, supporting the tall, heavy trunk. The trunks have a smooth bark. The trees have broad leaves and there are drip tips to drain off rainwater. They never shed their leaves and they are forever green. In some species, flowers are found on the main trunk. We call it cauliflowery. Jack, Sull, Billing are examples for this. Soil in the rainforest is poor in nutrients. Let's see the reason for this. As it's very warm and moist, microorganisms in soil will decay the litter on the floor very fast and the widely spread superficial roots will absorb all this into the trees. As a result, the soil is poor in nutrients. We have a lot of endemic animals and plants in the rainforest.
Easy, you go back through. Through the
Go find a good place for tuck.
Searching.
Yeah.
This is tank. It's like a tank cleaner. Tank.